and welcome. Whether you have already published a book in Amazon or you are thinking of publishing one in Amazon, becoming an Amazon bestseller will give your book an extra edge when it comes to attracting new readers of your book. But how do you become an Amazon bestseller? Well, if you have not yet written a book, then it is always a great idea to consult with the publishing houses or the professionals in the area to find out what kind of content works and what does not when it comes to people reading habits. So if you happen to write on a topic that people care about, you have a good chance that more people will buy your book, and more sales of the book obviously means higher chances of becoming bestseller, since bestseller is determined based on the number of sales you have done on the particular category. Alright? And the second thing you can focus on is choosing the book's category. So Amazon says or declares bestseller in categories. So if you are in the wrong category, no matter how good your book is, it's not gonna shine. So choose your category correctly when you are publishing your book in Amazon. And the third is integrating keywords into your product listing. People search for a book either by name or by subject. So if you have included all the right keywords while listing a book in Amazon, you have a good chance that people will find a book on search results and thereby giving you higher chances of your book being bought. Now, a financial part also becomes a crucial side of becoming an Amazon bestseller. While before becoming Amazon bestseller, you might also want to decrease the price of your book, but once it has achieved that status of bestseller, you can have that freedom to price that book with a profitable margin. Alright? Other strategies that you may use is enhancing your book's PR and also creating a reader review campaign and also using Amazon's targeted advertising. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do leave a big thumbs up on this video, and still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.